It's time for summer grilling inspiration. Joining us today is Chef Jeff Larson, who is teaming up with Aldi to share new recipes and ways to save. Chef Larson is creator of Plays Well with Butter and the website, a recipe developer and journalist with a passion for food and entertaining, and probably a little bit of butter. Welcome, Chef Jeff.
Hi, thank you so much for having me. It's a pleasure.
What are some tasty suggestions for creating an all-star grilling menu?
Yeah, one thing that I'm obsessed with this summer for hitting the grill is my grilled salmon tacos. Fish tacos might not be the first thing that come to mind when you think of grilling, but these are delicious and everyone loves them, and they're so easy to make. What I do is I start with Aldi wild-caught Alaskan sockeye salmon, so it's gorgeous quality. It just needs a little bit of seasoning with spices like chili powder and cumin, and it grills up in a couple of minutes per side. You can serve it with whatever taco fixings you love. For me, I love a cooling and creamy avocado crema sauce that I make in my food processor, which is so delicious. Aldi is really the go-to grilling destination for all of your summer needs, especially if you're looking for convenient, affordable, and ready-to-cook options.
Any special deals shoppers should consider?
Yeah, so super exciting. To help kick off summer, Aldi is connecting Americans with local grill masters to ensure their quality meat and seafood get the VIP treatment. So from now to July 2nd, DoorDash shoppers who purchase fresh meat and seafood at Aldi and use the promo code GRILLMASTER will have the chance to have it expertly prepared and grilled to perfection by a local grill master. And 200 Aldi shoppers will be selected at random to win a $250 credit towards a private chef service that can bring that grill master experience to life right in your own backyard.
Where can we go for more information?
For more information on everything I've chatted about today, including lots of fabulous grilling recipes to get you started this summer, be sure to head over to aldi.us.
Thanks, Chef. Happy grilling.
Thank you for having me.